You are going to learn how to measure a room today. Hi, I'm Robert, your interior room measuring technician. I'm going to load you up with tips and tricks so you can quickly and easily, but most importantly, accurately measure any room. I happen to have a room right here. Let's get going. To get a sense of the room, I like to take a few quick pics with a smartphone or camera. The tools for measuring a room: a pad of paper or single sheets, a pencil or a pen. I'm using a pen because I do not make mistakes, and a measuring device. I'm using a tape measure. Begin by drawing a rough sketch of the room. Note any doors in the direction they open. Closets are important to note, as are windows. And if you have any furniture or built-ins that are not moving, such as this bookcase, note them as well. Now the actual measuring. Basically what we want to do is go around the room, measure from edge to edge. Edge, in this case, is an outside of molding. The molding for the door to the outside of the molding of that side, then to the edge, and then repeat around the room. My surefire tip: do this at floor level. No mistakes. Outside edge to outside edge. When you come across an outlet, note its distance from the nearest edge. Same with light switches. Same with wall or floor vents, radiator, cable outlet. For a window, the edge is the outside molding to the next outside molding. For a window, measure from the floor to the bottom of any molding. Note the height of the window. Measure any intrusions or protrusions to the room. And at some point, measure the height of your room. And that is how you measure an interior room, easily and accurately. This is Robert, your measuring technician.